Well, good afternoon. This is Dave Jones with StormCenter Communications and GeoCollaborate. It's a little bit after noon today on Tuesday, August 6th. Tropical storm Debby continues to just meander around the South Carolina coastline, pumping a lot of moisture into areas like Charleston and places just south. Some areas receiving 12 to 14 inches of rain. You can see on the satellite picture here, I'll take it full screen so you can see what's going on. Here's the center of the storm just around the southern South Carolina state border around with Georgia. I added another sector of the GOES satellite just to show where drier air is coming in. And there's some good news, at least some good news, where there's some dry air being brought into the southern part of the storm. That will limit some of the moisture coming in, but this is the area of moisture that's coming into South Carolina right here and moving up into North Carolina. One other thing I wanted to point out, you can see dry air over the state of Maryland, northern Delaware, New Jersey. That's allowing some heating from the sun to come in, and there's a cold front to the north. Once that front slips down into the Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York City area, it could kick off some heavy showers and thunderstorms today. That's why there's a flood risk going on there. Let me switch over to GeoCollaborate and show you what it looks like. You can see this is the flood risk over the next couple of days. You can see it extends all the way from Georgia and South Carolina to southern parts of Virginia, central Virginia here. That is going to happen over the next several days. Let me turn off that layer, as a matter of fact, for day 3, and just turn on the excessive rainfall outlook for day 1. That's today. You can see Georgia, South Carolina, southeastern North Carolina really under the gun. I'll zoom in a little bit here to South Carolina, and the rain just continues to fall. As a matter of fact, some areas in central South Carolina have received 12 to 14 inches of rain. Charleston, South Carolina, 9 to 10 inches of rain. And that's going to continue. As long as Debby continues to meander along the coastline, it's going to pump in that moisture. And you can see the official Hurricane Center forecast has it coming up over central North Carolina and then over the state of Maryland as well. That is to be determined. When you have a tropical cyclone like this, it's moving so slowly, it's very difficult to tell the exact path it's going to take. That's why, as I turn off the layers for the flood risk today and turn it on for tomorrow, you'll see it's extended a little further to the north. And that does include parts of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Maryland, with this cold front that's sagging down. It's acting as a focal point for the moisture from Tropical Storm Debby being pushed up the coast. And that cold front is really going to squeeze out some of that moisture in the form of showers and thunderstorms. So I'm going to turn off day 2 and turn on the excessive rainfall outlook for Thursday. That's day 3 in the forecast period. And you can see it extends all the way up into New York, New Hampshire, Vermont, includes Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and New Jersey, even New York and New York City, Long Island, have potential heavy rainfall that could cause localized flooding. So that's what's going on with this system right now. And I do want to let you know that for the rest of today, we'll have this extensive flooding developing across South Carolina and also parts of North Carolina. The biggest advice, again, is for responding crews, utility vehicles, do not stage in areas that are low-lying. We could have heavy rain, just little trickles of streams and just small tributaries could become raging rivers. And if you're staging your vehicles in parking lots that have low elevation to them, you may not be able to get out of those parking lots should you get 2, 3, 4 inches of rain in a 2 to 3 hour period. So we'll be back maybe later today with another update or during the day tomorrow, keeping you posted. But the big story here is that Debby continues to just meander around South Carolina. Slow movement. If it moves out over the ocean, it could regain some of its strength. But the bottom line is it's going to be intense rainfall in areas where crews are trying to get in to restore power. So So this update's been provided for the All Hazards Consortium, the Sensitive Information Sharing Environment. I'm Dave Jones with StormCenter Communications and GeoCollaborate. We'll keep you posted, and we'll post this on the Sensitive Information Sharing Environment hub site here in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching.